best penny stocks to buy on May 27th, 2026. Number one recommendation is Astrotech Corporation, stock symbol ASTC, блять. It is up today 320% or $7.95, trading at $10.47. Since this morning, it already traded 75 million shares. Market cap for the company is only $30 million. So this company had $1 million in revenue last year. It has 32 employees, and this is from aerospace and defense sector. It's pretty interesting to see, a small cap or basically a penny stock in this space. But with today's jump of 314%, meaning that it tripled in price, I mean, maybe it's not even a penny stock anymore. But considering that the revenue is only $1 million per year, it is a penny stock. So what can I tell you? I mean, for the whole 6 months, they were trading around $2. Then they had an interesting spike on March 26 when it's went from $2 and spiked all the way to like almost $6. However, it couldn't sustain itself there and it collapsed back to $2. However, apparently they released some kind of news today and suddenly they are producing this monster jump. Maybe it has something to do with Tesla because SpaceX, because SpaceX is going public like I guess like in a couple of weeks. So, and maybe this company is somehow related to SpaceX. So if I were you, I would take a look and see what's going on there. But when the stock jumps 322%, something major is happening there. Next one is Biorestorative Therapies, stock symbol BRTX. It is up today 118% or 29 cents, trading at 54 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded 419 million shares. Market cap for the company is $25 million. So last year, this company had only $359,000 in revenue, which is very little. It employs 14 people, and it is from a medical specialties sector. So 6 months ago, it used to trade at around $1.20. Then it collapsed all the way to 20 cents, and it was trading at around 20 cents for the last 4 months. However, they released some kind of news today, and suddenly the stock is up, 119%, and on a 500 million shares in trading volume, which is huge. So definitely got some kind of news there. Maybe the medication they've been working on is finally, show some positive results, maybe in clinical trials even, or maybe they're getting approved soon, who knows. But if I were you, I would definitely take a look and see what's going on there, because something interesting is happening there. And plus, if you decide to pull the trigger at 55 cents and this thing goes back to, let's say, $1.20 where it used to trade, you would be able to double your money. So take a look. Next one is Solygenics, stock symbol SNGX. It is up today 95% or 48 cents, trading at $1. Since this morning, it already traded 154 million shares. Market cap for the company is roughly $30 million. So this company is from pharmaceuticals sector. It employs only 14 people. So For majority of the last 6 months, it used to trade at around $1.50. Then something happened on April 24th, and the stock collapsed from $1.50 all the way to 30 cents. Then the whole month it was trading around 30 cents, and then suddenly they released some kind of news, actually already yesterday and probably today, but the stock is experiencing some huge spike in trading volume, like today. So yesterday it traded around 150 million. Today it's already 154 in the first 90 minutes. So definitely some kind of news are driving it. Probably has to do with the medication they've been working on. So if I were you, I would take a look, see what's going on there, and maybe put some money into it. Next one is MS Brands, stock symbol AMSS. It is up today 85%, or $3.02, trading at $6.61. Since this morning, it already traded 15 million shares. Market cap for the company is $100 million. So revenue for last year was $17 million. They employed 25 people, and this company is from food distributors sector. The most important thing is this company is a recent IPO. When I say recent, it started to trade basically a week ago on May 20th of this year. It started at $12, but then it collapsed all the way to like $4. And after it collapsed, basically, suddenly they start to release some kind of news, probably today, and the stock rapidly started to climb back from $4 all the way to $6.60 right now. So it looks like it's you know, something is happening there. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look and see what's going on there. Next one is AIM Immunotech, stock symbol AIM. It is up today 82%, or 19 cents, trading at 42 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded 216 million shares. Market cap for the company is only $10 million. So the company had only $88,000 in revenue last year. It employs 19 people. And this company is from pharmaceutical sector. So what can I tell you? I mean, about 6 months ago, it used to trade at $1.50, but then it collapsed all the way to 30 cents. So while it was collapsing, nobody was trading it, nobody cared about that stock, which is obvious. Nobody wanted to lose money. However, something started to happen today. They probably released some kind of news. So they have a monster trading volume of 216 million shares, which kind of tells you that a lot of new buyers are jumping in, and plus the stock nearly doubled. For pharmaceutical stocks, we all know the news about the medication they've been working on. So if I were you, I would take a look, see what's going on, and maybe put some money into it. Next one is Digital Turbine, stock symbol APPS. It is up today 55%, or $2.65, trading at $7.46. Since this morning, it already traded 34 million shares. Market cap for the company, wow, it's huge, $882 million. So what can I tell you? Oh my God. You know what the revenue was for last year? It was $490 million. The company employs 647 people, And this is from this is a package software company, so basically making software. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look, see what's going on there. But these guys are basically